guys, how are you? Hope you are feeling well. Today I am here with a new video, and that is how to implement the exact dialog in Android Studio. When a user press the back button, it show a dialog box, and that will ask the user to either rate our application or exit our application. So let's jump to the Android Studio, and first we have to make a design layout for the exit dialog. So for that I will come here and I will write the exact dialog or whatever you want. Okay, now I will come here and change the constraint layout to the relative layout, linear layout. And also we will change this gravity center and gravity also center, and orientation vertical. Then I will take a card view and I will write match parent, and I will write the layout margin 10 dp. Also the layout gravity top and the app corner radius. And namespace declaration, and then the corner radius, and the corner radius will be 10 dp, and the card elevation also 10 dp. Okay, inside the card view I will take a linear layout, and in the linear layout will be match parent and wrap content. Also I will write the background to this is color white, and the orientation will be vertical. Inside this linear layout I will take an image view, and I will give the ID to this image view. Sorry, I will first give this match parent and then my web content, and then I will write the margin, match parent and 150 dp to this image. Also the layout gravity will be in center, and the padding will be 25 dp, and the source will be the driver, and I have already placed a launcher. Wait, I will come here and I will write icon launcher. Okay, so icon launcher, and the next thing will be visibility, and that will be always visible. Okay, so close this image view, and after that I will take a text view, and the text will be match parent wrap content, and that will be match parent. Close this, and let's write some attribute for the text view. Also the layout gravity will be in center, also the layout margin will be 5 dp. The next thing is the text color, and the text color will be black, and the next thing is text size, and the text size will be 20 sp screen pixel, and the next thing will be text style, and that will be bold. Okay, now the text is thanks for using our application, and that will be also center the gravity of this text. Okay, after that we will have to take a next thing, and that is the linear layout, and that will be match parent and wrap content, and layout gravity will be in center, and margin bottom will be 10 dB. Yes, 10 dB will be enough. And the next thing will be gravity, and that will be in center, and maximum line will be right. We have to write here the gravity will be in center, and close this layout. Also we have to the orientation horizontal, and to one thing that will be the weight sum, and that will be 1. Okay, now inside this linear layout we have to place a text view. So let's write the text view, and the text view will be match parent, and then wrap content, and then the gravity will be in center, and the text gravity will be also in center, and maximum line will be 2, and the text will be, would you like to rate our application? Would you like to write our application? Let's capital this L, and okay, it's done. And the text color will be color purple, and the text style will be bold. Text size is 16 SP, and the text style will be bold. Okay, it's done. Now the next thing, we have to take a view here outside of this linear layout, and let's tag it this view, and that will be match parent. Sorry, Control Z, match parent, and to wrap content, and this layout gravity will be in center. Also the margin top 15 dp, and the margin bottom will be 10 dp, and the gravity will be in center. Now I just made a mistake here. I will write the height of this view to 20 dp, and the margin left will be the margin left, and that will be 10 dp, and margin right also 10 dp, and alpha will be 0.2, and the background will be color purple. Okay, it's done. Let's close this, and after that we have to take a new linear layout for the buttons. And so linear layout with the match parent and wrap content, and gravity center, and margin top 15. Gravity of this layout will be in center, margin top 15 dp, and the next thing will be the gravity of this layout is always in center, and margin bottom 10 dp, and orientation will be in horizontal, and visibility will be visible. Okay, close this, and inside the linear layout, we will take the image view, and the image view will be match parent, and the height will be 55 dB of this image. Also the ID will be exact, and weight will be 1, and clickable true, and the drivable, the size of this will be exact. I have already an image inside the drawable, and that is no. Okay, so that's the buttons I have. You can take whatever you want. Okay, let's close this image view and take another one. Okay, replace this with the 0 dB. Okay, the next thing will be image view, and the image view will be match parent and 55 dB, and the weight will be 1, and also this will be clickable true, and the SRC from the drivable will be red. Okay, and that will be also visible. Okay, we have done a mistake here, and that is to close this text view here, and the one thing we have to forgot this. Okay, so I have changed one thing, and that is the I have write this to inside the string, in the string, and I have made this. Also I have done one thing, and that is the linear layout, this linear layout, and the margin top and its gravity, and then I changes the following two images. So you can see here I am just scrolling it slowly, so you can play and pause the video and write the code from this layout. Okay, one by one you can check again. Okay, now come to the Java class, and here write a method that is a private, sorry, not protected, private void, and write this open exec dialog. Okay, now final dialog, and dialog is equal to the object of this dialog, and here we'll pass the context of this class and also the layout r dot style dot exec dialog. The exec dialog style. Okay, also we have to change this. I have forgotten something, and that is to put a theme here for the exec dialog. So I will copy this from here and will paste it here. So you can copy paste this from this style, and you can also put this in the night theme. Okay, so come to the Java class, and here I will write the dialog, the exec dialog style, Okay, the next thing will be dialog dot request feature, dialog dot request window features, and there will be one. Also the dialog dot set content view, and that will be the odd dot layout dot exec dialog. The next thing will be dialog dot set cancel on touch outside, dialog dot set cancel on touch on outside will be true, and also dialog dot set cancelable true, so the user can cancel the dialog also, and also when it is touch outside it will be cancelable. Okay, the next thing we have to dialog dot find view by id or dot id dot cancel, and the cancel dot sit on click listener, and sit on click listener. Okay, dot sit on click listener, and new view on click listener, and we'll have to implement this. The rate, and we are implementing the rate and try, and there will be the catch block, and also we have to write the URI, and there will be URI1 equal to new equal to URI dot parse, and there will be the market colon, and that will be the slash details DETLS, and the colon ID, the sign of interrogation ID, and then equal, and plus the package name, get package name, and intent equal to new intent, and intent dot action view, and URI. Okay, and start activity intent. Inside this catch block, if exception is generated, then it will catch the activity not found exception, and that will be E, and inside the block we will write URI and URI1 equal to URI dot parse, and the string will be the link of the Google Play Store, HTTPS hypertext transfer protocol, and then the colon, then the slash, and then the play dot google dot com /store /apps /details sign of interrogation ID and equal plus get package name and the colon semicolon, and then we will start the intent, and it will be intent and the object of this intent, and intent with the action view and the URI and start this activity, start this intent. Okay, so it's done. Now the next thing we have to do is to implement the action listener on the exec button. I have just provided the ID cancel. You can provide the ID right here inside this dialog exec. I have tried this cancel, so you can change. Let's change this to, and let's change it to red. Okay, it's changed to the red, and no dialog dot find view by ID or dot ID dot exec and dot set on click listener, and the object of this click listener new view on click listener, and I will write the dialog dot dismiss and finish the affinity. Dialog dot dismiss and also finish affinity. And outside this I will write dialog dot show. Okay, so that's done. Let's run our application and see the output. But before running the application, we have to implement this on backpress. So on backpress you can call the open app exec dialog. So let's run the application and see the output.